Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming proper tongue weight, aiming for 10–15% of trailer GVWR. This prevents slack before you adjust anything. Next, loosen and inspect the sway bar hardware, check bushings and mounting bolts for wear, replace if damaged. Now, position the sway bar at the manufacturer's midpoint setting and torque fasteners to spec. Once done, lift and settle the trailer at normal ride height, because accurate adjustments require the trailer loaded as it will be on the road. You continue by taking a controlled test drive for 15–20 minutes at 40–60 kilometers per hour, focusing on steering feel and lateral stability. If you sense rear sway or twitch, increase stiffness 1 click or 1 notch. If the tow vehicle feels too rigid, decrease 1 increment. Make only one change at a time and redrive to isolate effects. Make sure to recheck torque on all sway bar mounts after each adjustment, because loose hardware masks proper tuning and can create new problems. You finish by confirming straight-line stability at highway speeds and verifying that minor steering corrections don't amplify into sway. This proves the bar is tuned. If oscillation or trailer fishtail persists, first reduce speed and pull over safely, then recenter cargo and tighten load straps. Imbalanced loads are the main culprit. Once adjustments work, record the final setting and inspect mounts after the first 100 kilometers. That prevents unnoticed loosening and ensures continued safe operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.